Good morning, people. It is day 2 of the Moto trip. We're here at the Historic Tapoco Lodge, or Tapoco. I don't know how you say that, whatever, I'm not an Indian. It got a little dark and our phone started to die last night, so we stopped filming as much and started trying to figure out where we were going. There's no service up here, so you kind of got to figure out and read maps the old school style. But it just rained this morning. We're supposed to get one more band coming through, but we got to check out right when that band's coming through. Then we're planning on riding the tail and the Foothills Parkway. So stay tuned, y'all. Ready for breakfast?
Huh?
Ready for breakfast?
Yeah.
Let's get it.
We didn't record leaving Tapoco Lodge, but the plan was to head past the tail, ride through Bryson City and Cherokee on the way to Clingmans Dome. Then head down Newfound Gap Road towards Gatlinburg, take a left on Fighting Creek Gap Road, and follow it to Townsend. From there, we would take the Foothills Parkway down to the Tail of the Dragon, ride it up to Deals Gap, stop and grab a t-shirt or something, and then head to Two Wheel Inn, which is where we were staying for the night. Y'all didn't miss much on the way to Cherokee because the fog was super thick and we can barely see where we're going. Once we got to Cherokee, we stopped and grabbed lunch. Then we headed up Newfound Gap Road with Clingmans Dome as our destination.
Hear the commotion, and that's okay, 'cause we're in motion. I can feel the sway. There's nothing to fear, my friend. Oh no, it's the natural rattle. When the ground is shaking, you thunder roar. Wouldn't worry, it's just a storm. I just let my body pour to the natural rattle. So unwind but don't unravel. We can't help but be a little fragile through the clatters inside and crackles all the sounds of the natural rattle, vibrating us all. The natural rattle, vibrating us all. Hear the rocket all day and night. The world is noisy, and that's alright. Every sound is just a piece of the natural rattle. So unwind and don't unravel. We can't help but be a little fragile through the clatters inside and crackles all the sounds of the natural rattle, vibrating us all. The natural rattle, vibrating us all.
So after riding through some crazy thick fog and making our way to less than 3/4 of a mile from the turn for Clingmans Dome Road, we got stuck in traffic. We decided to stick around for 20 or 30 minutes to see if the traffic would clear up, but after talking with a few people driving down the mountain, we found out there was a wreck blocking the tunnel to Gatlinburg, and it would be hours before the road was cleared. So we made the painful decision to turn back and retrace our steps to Deals Gap, ride down the tail, and then back up, which is where I'll pick y'all up for episode 3. Brap on, y'all.